Good evening. Today I have come with a very interesting topic, that is sex determination. That is sex determination in human. So sex determination means what will be the gender of the zygote or embryo. As we have learned about reproduction, we know that when the male gamete is fused with the female gamete, then it produces a zygote, and that zygote will then form the embryo and the baby will be born then. Now the question arises is how the embryo will know that it should be a boy or a girl when it is developed. How the embryo will be determined as a boy embryo or a girl embryo? How? This is all about the magic of chromosomes, the genes. So now first let's have male and female. In male human body, we have 22 pairs of normal body chromosome. And one pair of sex chromosome. Twenty-two pairs of body chromosome and one pair of sex chromosome. In female also it is the same, 22 pairs of normal body chromosome and one pair of sex chromosomes. Now why? Because this one pair of sex chromosome is responsible for the sexual status of our body. How? So now when 22 pairs of normal body chromosome and one pair of sex chromosome, then we are having 23 pair of chromosome. Here also 23 pairs of chromosome. That means 46. So in a human body there must be 46 chromosomes, and we know that the number of chromosome is very distinct in species, specific species. So this 46 number is specific for human being, the number of chromosome. Now when fertilization is happened, what will be the numbers of chromosome? Let's see. As we know that one pair of sex chromosome in male and one pair of female sex chromosome in female, they are denoted by, in male XY, and in female XX. XY and XX. Now when fertilization is happening, then what happens? As we know, the sex cell, the male gamete in human body is known as sperm, and in female body it is ovum or egg. So if we take male sperm then and female ovum, then let us see that how it is possible to have 23 chromosomes after fertilization also. Let's take two cases. In first case, case 1, we are having that 22 pairs in male and in female, okay? In sperm cell actually, in male sperm cell and in female ovum cell. 22 pairs plus 1 pair. That means it is 23 pair, that means 46 chromosome. And in female also 22 pairs plus 1 pair, that is also 46 chromosome. When they are fertilized, after fertilization, then in this case the human body will get 92 chromosomes. But is it possible? No, because we know that there must be 46 chromosomes in a normal human body. 92 chromosomes can't be possible. So this case is discarded. Now let's have case 2. Here in male sperm, let's have 22 plus 1 chromosome, not pair. Try to understand. In the previous case we are having pair, but in this case we are not having pair, we are just having 22 plus 1 chromosome, and in female also 22 plus 1 chromosome. Then in that case, here 23 chromosomes, and here also 23 chromosomes. So when they are fertilized, then they are having 46 chromosomes. So it is believable because we know that in human being 46 chromosome is constant. in normal human body there must be 46 chromosome, not less than that, not much more that. So this case is believable. So what is inferred, what can be inferred from this case is that at the time of fertilization, it is not going to pairs, that means XY and XX. Only one chromosome can come, not in pair. One chromosome can come, not in pair. Now, when one chromosome can come, then only the number can be 46. So, let's have it properly. In male, we are having sperm, and in it we are having, this is male sperm, this is also male sperm. Male is having XY. So if we draw here 22 plus X type and 22 plus Y type. Again in female, it is ovum or egg. Here also we are having XX. Now in case of female, in both case we are having 22 plus X pattern and again 22 plus X pattern. So now when they are fertilized, now if this and this will be fused, then there we have 44 plus XY, XX, and when it is having XX, as we know XS is female, this should be baby girl. Now when this is crossed to this also, then again we are having 22 plus XX, then again it is baby girl. Now let's have the Y one. If from male the Y pattern has come, then we are having 44. We are having 44 plus XY, it is boy, and here also we are having 44 plus XY, it is again boy. So from this you can note that when the Y portion of male will come, then only the baby would be boy, and when X portion will come, then the baby will be girl. So you can see that there is nothing to do with female portion, because in both female portion there are X part. So anyhow it will give X only. But in male portion there is X part and Y part also. So when the Y part will fuse with the female, then it will give boy, and when the X portion will fuse to the female, then it will give girl. So as you can see that the gender or sex of the child is wholly dependent on the chromosome of male partner. That means the determination of sex is solely dependent on the male partner. So this is the sex determination of human. Because why it is in your course? Because it is very common in our society, Indian society, that to curse the girl for the gender of the child. But the government has included this portion in your chapter because you should be properly educated. You should know that there is nothing to do with female when it is the case of the gender of the child. It is all because of the male chromosome, not the female chromosome. And again, it is not actually valid to know the sex of the child. It can be girl, it can be boy. Both are same. In fact, nowadays girls are much more successful as a child than the boys. I am not degrading the boys. Boys are also very good, but I am talking about the society where the people often go for the sex determination to know that the child is girl or a boy. And then only they can curse the female partner of the couple. But that is not, scientifically also that is not valid, because the chromosome from the male partner will decide the gender of the child. So that is all about the sex determination in human. I think it is very important and very interesting topic. You should learn, you should study, and you should understand the topic, because it is also related with your everyday circumstances. Prove yourself an educated one, real educated one. That is all about from this session from Mrs. Ganguly ma'am. In my next session, I will continue with some more important topic and interesting topic. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.